Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to log out of your SnapEdit account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log out of your SnapEdit, you just simply have to open your SnapEdit application at very first. Then after opening the SnapEdit application, you will get to see so many options into this home page. Now you just simply have to tap into these three bars which you can see into the top right corner, and from there you will get the section of account. Just simply tap into account section, and into there you will get the logout option for your current account. Just simply tap into log out, and then you will successfully be logged off of your account. This way you can very easily log out of your SnapEdit account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.